Hey, DIYers. Today, I've got a leaky pot filler to fix. Most pot fillers are similar. They've got a valve down here, one down there, and the handle up top. The good news? You might not need a new cartridge or any expensive parts. I'll show you exactly what fixed mine. Step 1. Turn off water supply. First, make sure you turn off the water under the sink. With the water off, we can safely work on it. If the valves stay on, the leak just keeps flowing. Step 2. Identify the leak. When I moved the handle around, the leak got worse. Up, down, left, right. It was obvious something inside was loose. You might see online that some pot fillers need a new plastic cartridge, but in this case, I could fix it without buying anything. Step 3. Remove the handle. Every pot filler is a little different. For mine, I just loosened the screw on the handle, and it came right off. Some models might have a small Allen key bolt instead. Quick tip: when you remove screws, keep a cloth underneath once the handle is off. You can access the valve and cartridge inside. Step 4. Access the cartridge. Now, I thought maybe just tightening this part would be enough, but the leak persisted, so I needed to take the handle assembly off completely. Step 5. Tighten the cartridge. Here's the key. The cartridge itself wasn't broken. It was just loose. Using an adjustable wrench, I tightened it. Not much, just about a quarter turn. That's it. Once it was snug, the leak stopped immediately. You don't always need to replace the cartridge. Step 6. Reassemble and test. After tightening, I put everything back together. Turn on the bottom valve and the top handle. Move the faucet around. No drip, no whistle, just smooth operation. And that's it. A quick, simple fix for a leaky pot filler without buying new parts. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a FlowFit DIY hack.